Why it says 7 by 10?
What?
Why it says size 7 by 10?
Who said that?
It's right here.
Good morning, Philippines!
Taxes are your issue billboard that Harris talked about.
Hi guys! Patayin natin yung TV. Kasi kanina pa yung umaga. Pero nanonood man kasi andito si Mister. But anyway, ang taba-taba na ng mukha ko guys. Grabe. Grabe talaga tong mukha na to. Okay lang yan mataba. Okay lang yung mataba, no? Wala namang problema. Anong akala mo sa mga mataba? Pangit? Maraming magagandang mataba. So, wag mong ida-down yung taba. Kasi ang daming maganda at siksing taba. So, mini-measure namin dyan, it's 8 by 11. Sa bedroom namin is 9 by 11. Yeah. Mas malaki kasi yung bedroom kasi yung laki. So, kailangan ko lang tong tapusin. Ito yung mga Christmas ornament ko. Yan. And then, kailangan ko lang itong I don't know kung anong magandang kulay. Ang andito kasi na kulay is black and white plus red. Yung curtain, yung kortina. Diba? So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung bagay dito na area. So, maghanap tayo ng magandang ayaw ko ng sobrang colorful. Yung maraming bulak-bulaklak ba? Meron kami nakita doon. Mahal man. Oy, 3 something. Almost 4. Sobrang mahal. So, but gusto ko yung kulay. Kasi ano siya, gray-black. Tammy found some flowery one. It's not gonna be looking good here.
That's not true.
You think? Can you put flowery here with this black and white color here? Plus red?
Yeah, you could, but you have to use a black one. There's a black ones.
Okay, you're so good looking, guys. Look at the face,
The back seats, not the front seats. Well, the front seats you can lie down. But
If you're really taking care of that hair in his face, oh, he's the best. He's like my actor. He's like a Hollywood actor.
yeah.
If he, kasi the hair, a lot of people like it. I like it when he connected it now. He connected it now. Where's your watch?
I'll try it.
I know, guys. Pasensya na kayo, guys, ha. Gwapong-gwapo talaga. Gwapong-gwapo ako sa asawa ko talaga. Lalo na kapag ikuan yan yung buhok niya sa magpakat. And then, i-ano yung buhok niya. Parang i-trim-trim yung dito ba? Parang i-shorten kaunti. Makaingon lagi ka, kalami. Makaingon lagi ka, kalami. Bisag pait. Lami man, bisag pait. Ha? First, before we go into the carpet place, Home Depot, and yeah, we're going to look for a carpet. Actually, Tammy want to go there for the pipe. What spikes for the sa likuran kasi, guys, the back of our house we have that machine. Yeah, with the air conditioning. We have a fence around it, and then every time the wind,
This is a cheapy plastic fence that was there when we got it.
lilipad siya, guys. So, kailangan namin ng
They didn't do it really good. We should really build one, but you know, for now, I just want to keep it.
yeah. So, that's what happened. We need spikes. And also look for a rug, comparing to the other carpet area. So,
I didn't put nothing in there. I don't know where it's telling me to go.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on I-84.
Turn left, so instead of be back to
New Rochelle.
Rochelle or Queens or something.
Okay.
So that's a little bizarre. They'll just automatically assume that's where I'm going. I hate when they do that.
Yeah, that means the same thing with the car, honey. My car tells me where I'm going. Tells me where I'm going.
So there's a phone.
Let's slow down. Guys, they have a cart for kids, so Tommy is gonna push me. So let's go and let him push me. Let's go, take mga bahog, take. Dami pang Christmas. Ooh, Home Depot. Ooh. Okay, guys, dito na kami sa Home Depot. Hanap kami ng rug. So hopefully makahanap kami ng gusto namin na rug. kasi. Oh, it's right here. Oh, there is no rug that just like, I think there is a rug area here that they put like hanging. It's gonna be in there.
Actually, if I
How much? They don't have rug, the one that, how much? 8 by 10.
This is the flower dark.
This one is darker, which is good.
I feel it looks nice.
Let me see.
What's the price?
That's why,
They used
that's
to be
what,
more expensive.
I know that's what Mark said.
I know, but they used to be higher price. They dropped the prices.
Oh, I like this one. Did you see that?
The blue one?
Yeah. Is that black?
This is it's dark.
Yeah, but why is it kind of like ruined already?
Oh,
Ruined in the end.
ruined in the end?
Yeah, it's like, did you see the way they do it? It's
No,
like,
it's because the weights. You know, this one.
so mas mura pala dito,
This got
guys.
blue and
Mas mura pala dito yung rug sa Home Depot.
8 by 10, 8 by 10, 8 by 10. Oh, see, that's a buy 11.
I think there's no really by 11. It's really 10. Hi guys. So, punta na lang kami doon sa carpet area kasi meron naman sila mura lang dito. Kaso lang, wala silang 8 by 11. 8 by 10 lang. Yun lang yung size nila, 8 by 10. Walang 8 by 11. So, and then, ito lang yung binili namin para sa, yun nga, yung sa air conditioning namin sa labas. At saka andun siya. Naghanap ng cooking. Is that cooking? Cooking for sa shower. Lumalabas na kasi yung tubig sa shower. Lumalabas na siya. Yung sa sliding door, sa ilalim, lumalabas. So, kailangan ng i-sealed namin. Si Tommy na, he's tired of looking at the paper towel that I put over there to stop the water.
Annoying to me.
It's annoying to him daw. Grabe naman si Tommy. Oy. It's annoying to you, love. Hello guys, we're back to the carpet mill outlet. Let's see kung andito pa ba yung gusto namin. Oh, they took it.
This one's 8 by 11. Not the 8
No, this one, love. They don't have the one that we found.
This is it's back here.
Huh?
Back here, you're not in the right place.
No. The one that it's right here. I just want to see if they're still here, but I'm not getting that.
Right down.
Yeah, I'm not getting that.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Maghanap kami ng may kausap siya. Kalurky. Okay guys, naka-order na kami. Nakabili. So yun guys, naka-order na kami ng isa. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung nakuha namin. Dito daw ilagay sa likuran. So ngayon, mahaba pala siya guys. So kailangan i-open. Buti na lang yung door sa likuran is siya, magpababa. And dalawa yung in-order namin kasi yung in-order namin na isa is yung pang-ilalim, pag-iihi yung isang pusa kasi si Dimples. Yeah. So kasi si Dimples guys, paminsan guys kapag maluka yung babaeng yun, siya, iihi sa rug. So yun siya. Buti na lang hindi siya umiihi sa may sliding door na rug. And also, hindi siya umiihi sa living room na rug. Hindi siya umiihi doon kasi alam niya na mamatay talaga ako sa galit. And ang iniihian lang niya palagi is yung sa kitchen. Kaya, winawash ko siya. Buti na lang doon siya umiihi. Pero niro-roll ko siya kapag gabi. So, now na meron kaming rug sa dining, gusto lang namin na may protection yung ilalim. Kapag iihi siya, hindi siya direct to the hindi siya mag-direct sa sa wood. Kasi kapag mag-direct sa wood kasi, hindi namin mamalayan, maamoy mo na lang. And then yun, nagsusok na siya sa wood. So, kailangan lang. At buti na lang, meron naman kaming machine na panglinis. Pero ayaw namin yung ihi na mapunta sa sa wood. Kasi siya, masira talaga yung wood. So, buti na lang meron silang pang dito. Yung parang pang-catch. You think that catcher there is gonna catch the pee? The cuts under the rug is gonna be catch the pee?
Hold that.
Oh my god. Yan, dito na sila guys. Alright. Why it says 7 by 10?
What?
Why it says size 7 by 10?
Who said that?
It's right here. You cigarette. Oh.
God. 7 feet 10 inches by 10 feet 6 inches.
And
710 is considered 8 feet. It's not exact measurement. 712 is 8 feet. So 710 is a little short of 8
you think this is gonna the perfect size of our thing?
Hun, 8 by 10 is not an 8 by 10. 8 by 11 is not an 8 by 11. It's like
I cannot even see you here.
You know a 2 by 4?
What?
When you order a 2 by 4 wood,
Yeah.
it's not 2 by 4.
So what is the size of
It's
this?
1 3/4 by 3 3/4.
So what's the point of sizes?
That's just the way the industry works. Okay.
So this is 7 by 10. It's a way whack number. Andun si Tommy sa ShopRite. Siya lang yung pinapunta ko kasi meron kaming rag dito. Kasi alam na natin kapag sometimes, kasi yung mga tao kasi paminsan, sirain nilang sasakyan para kunin lang yung mga kung ano yung laman. So kaya siya lang yung pumunta sa loob. Kasi ayaw niyang may break-in. Okay lang ito kunin, pero pag i-break-in na yung sasakyan, yun na yun. That means ang laki ng gasto kapag ganon. Hey guys, meron lang akong i-shout out kasi may magpa-shout out kasi. So ngayon i-shout out natin sina, hindi man nilagyan ng pangalan. Okay, shout out sa ina ni Mona Forfieda. Shout out, belated happy birthday na po tita, belated happy birthday. And hindi kasi nilagay dito yung pangalan ng ina niya, pero yun, belated happy birthday, November 5 daw yung birthday niya. And also magpa-shout out kaibigan ng sister ko. Shout out sa kaibigan daw ng kapatid ko, sina Roberta Sipnio at si Giselle Cartagena or Cartagena. Yun, shout out po sa inyong mga silingan dyan. Kumusta naman po kayo, Roberta at Giselle? So, yun lang po. Allah, you're getting some bag again. You got water, love?
No, I did not.
What, you get apple?
Yeah.
Seriously? So, ito yung ganap namin, guys. Pag merong apple, hindi kakainin. This is who we are, guys. If we have apple, we don't eat. So now, if we don't have apple, we have to buy.
And clementine.
Huh?
And little mandarins.
Oh, you did? And what else you got, Lalab?
Cold cut.
We have
But
a
the
lot.
ham was really expensive. It was like $10.99 a pound.
Oh,
I
shit.
didn't have any like cheaper ones, so I bought a whole ham.
Halahan?
Like the spiral ham.
Yeah, but...
Because I just use that for sandwiches. That's $3.99 a pound.
Okay, you're too close with that car over there.
That's $3.99 a pound. It's supposed to $10.99 a pound.
Okay, go over there.
I just think about that.
Okay, guys. So, he got some clementines. I don't know why. And we know where we're going. I cannot even see my husband. He's right over there and I cannot see him. He's right there. He's right there. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, dalan-dala na namin ditong rag. So ang gagawin po namin is, look at this, what happened to me. Nag-ibang wala mo din mga. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko po is, i-move po itong table dito guys. We have to move the table eh.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed.
We move this that I can map, and then not map. It's
We're
red.
gonna move the chairs up to the side of that room.
It won't fit. Huh? Let it a little.
Don't we have sliders on?
Yeah.
We do, so it should slide.
Yeah, but lift a little bit in here because the lift is need to be up.
Yeah, these are not. We'll have to look up on top of the rock.
Yeah, of course. Okay, that's
myself and go to the other room. All right, I'll take the dogs outside for a cigarette.
Okay. Kailangan ko lang po ito linisin. And then mopping. Mop. Kasi kailangan i-mop.
By you, so hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
So let's see guys, kasi yung rug parang duda ako na maliit itong rug na to.
First you got the wrong way. That's all right.
Okay, open it. The dog is outside.
Yeah.
And look at the door. This is gonna be really thick, you know that?
Yes.
Because now there is light under there and...
Want to take a measure?
no. He won't even slide.
Yes. Okay.
You know, you have to return this if we like 3 days.
You don't return it. You took 3 days to pick it.
Huh?
It took you 3 days to pick it out.
Look at who's here.
Nosy, nosy.
We have to get... No, don't open it yet and then we have to...
Okay.
Never ends. It's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, can't believe you love me. Oh,
Towards there, slide a little bit here. Towards here, a little bit. Okay, move to me. And then slide a little bit over there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, can you do this? This is not straight.
What?
This one, oh, did you see this?
Put it out all the way out so it holds the edges.
Huh?
Put it all the way out so it holds the edges for that.
Inano muna yun namin yung upuan, guys. Nilagay muna namin sa gilid-gilid kasi yung carpet kasi parang pumunta sa ibabaw kasi meron kami ilagay sa ilalim. Where is Dimples? I don't see her.
You'll find her cooking up.
So, yun, guys. Yun yung carpet namin, vlog. So, yun yung color na pinili ko. Tignan nyo naman. So, I know walang ganyang color dito, pero iniba lang namin. Honey, he's rolling, honey. He's marking. He's marking, look.
You're not peeing.